Note this video is for educational purposes only. Anybody come across this YouTube is all for entertainment purposes only. Let's get into the video. Let's go. Like y'all, everybody just lost their job. Like this video in the next 10 seconds if you want to be banned on TikTok, and you can look back at this video. Let's go. Yo, before the video starts, we're going through hard times right now, bro. They just took TikTok away, but guess what? I'm gonna cover on this next clip how to get it. If you're in countries or everybody
was
just finna lose their job, bro, and I think Tom brought it back before I upload this video. But guess what? I'm here to give y'all this video in case it happen again. So where y'all could get look back at this video. This is how you get TikTok in other countries if it gets banned again. So say this video, drop a sub, bro. And it's your boy Terry Slant. I'm gonna catch y'all in my next videos. I'm out though. Alright, so I know everybody got VPNs, right? Y'all come over to the App Store. You type in VPN. Yeah, you come over to the App Store, you type in VPN. You connect to a UK VPN, and you should see TikTok will be available. Like I said, bro, this is a little second video. Please share this video. I'm going to try to get this video premiered and try to get y'all this video sent as fast as I can, bro. Bro, before I render this video or upload this video, TikTok might be up, bro, because Trump just tweeted or he just made a post. But I'm going to try to get this video posted for y'all. But y'all want to go to the App Store, download a VPN. If it's premium, you could go free trial and get that. But yeah, I'm going to try to get this video out so y'all can see this, so y'all can get TikTok back on your phones, bro, or on a website or whatever, all right? All right, as y'all can see, bro, I'm on TikTok. My TikTok page is up, bro. So yeah, this is how you do the method. Be sure to drop a like, drop a sub, bro. It's me and boy Terry Slant, and we taking the over, bro. On 2025, nigga, I'm dropping bangers back to back, no matter what. I got terminated. Come back 10 times. Fucking order, I'm out, this bitch. I'm gonna catch y'all later, bro. We out though. As y'all can see, it just worked for her. As y'all can see, I told her the method, bro. All you gotta do is use a VPN. If it's not in the United States, and if this happened again, if Trump was able to shut this down, like y'all see, bro, it's real. This is screen recording. This method work, y'all. Be sure to hop on this method, but I'm out though.
This is a Joseph Da Vinci production, boy.